In this question, they are saying in a household circuit, a electric power of 1500 watt electric heater of power 1500 watt and a fan of power 500 watt are connected in parallel to 220 volt supply. So basically whatever the info given to you, just note it down. So I'll write given. So first thing I come to know ki power of heater. Okay, so power of heater that is given as 1500 watt. Then they have given the value for the power of fan, and that is something mentioned as 500 watt. To 220 watt supply, that means voltage is given to you as 220 volt. Okay, fuse rated as 10 ampere. Okay, there is a fuse and they have rated they have took a fuse of some current rating something as 10 ampere. Okay, now these are some questions that they have asked you to find out. Calculate the total current drawn by the heater and fan. So first of all, they have asked you the total current. So firstly we'll find for the heater, then we'll find for the fan, and then we'll add it on. So we'll come to know the total current of the system. And then we'll come to the second part of the sum. Now, which formula you're going to use, that is the important concern, right? Which formula? So depending upon the conditions, okay, as per the condition, what we have is we have power, we have voltage, and then what is asked to you is current. So it is very obvious that we will be going with the formula power is equals to what? VI. Okay, in that we can arrange the term in terms of current. So let's say I want the heater of I want the current for heater. Okay, if I want the current for heater, so in such conditions, I'll just change the color. Yeah, so I want the current for what? Heater. So in such condition, it will be written as I is equals to P upon V, but obviously here power will also come for heater only. Okay, so in case if you are getting confused, to first write the formula as it is. Okay, first write the formula as it is, like I is equals to P upon V. Okay, then put H for heater. Okay, let's solve this. Power of this heater was given as how much? 1500 watt, and for voltage it was given as 220 volt. So this cancel out. We need to figure out 150 divided by how much? 22. Okay, so we need to divide 150 by 22. So we get something 6.82. Okay, in case of heater, what I get the value is 6.81 समथिंग, जिसको हम राउंड ऑफ करके कितना लिख सकते हैं? 8 ऐसे आ रहा है, तो जिसको हमने राउंड ऑफ करके 82 एम्पियर लिख लिया. ओके, लेट मी हाईलाइट द वैल्यू ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स हमने हीटर का यहाँ पे डिटरमाइन कर लिया. Same process will go for this one also, for fan also. So this time I am looking for the fan, so I'll put IF, but again it would be a power of fan to power upon voltage. Now put the values, what values we have for fan? It was 500 divided by same voltage, that was 220. So ये कुछ cancel out हो जाएगा. This time we need to divide 50 को 22 से, right? So I'll be getting something 2.27, right? So यहाँ पे फैन के रिस्पेक्ट से मुझे कितना करंट मिला? 2.27 एम्पियर. नाउ ओके, देन कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, उसने क्या बोला था? डिटरमाइन द टोटल करंट. तो टोटल करंट बोला है, विच मीन्स दैट ओके, टोटल करंट इज इक्वल टू heater current heater current plus fan current. ओके तो हीटर का करंट कितना था, इट वॉज 6.82, इसमें कितना ऐड ऑन करना है 2.27. now just add it and see how much total you get. तो 6.82 6.82 इसमें कितना ऐड करना है हमको 2.27. so what I get is something 9.09 ampere. okay, this is the total current. okay, this is what I have is total current. so just highlight your answer, then we'll move to the next step. so here after highlighting the answer, I'll move to the next part. Now coming to the next part, here they are saying determine 10 ampere fuse is appropriate in the circuit or it will blow out. तो listen, फ्यूज इज समथिंग जो कि मैक्सिमम अमाउंट, इतने अमाउंट तक का करंट इट कैन बेयर, बियॉन्ड दैट इट कांट. सो हमारा टोटल करंट जो है इट इज समवॉट 9 ओनली, 9.09 एम्पियर. ओके, विच इज लेस देन. सो यू कैन से you can answer in such a manner since, okay, so sorry, yeah, so you can answer in such a manner since, okay, 9.09 is less than 10 ampere. okay, so you can mention 9.09 ampere is less than 10 ampere, thus it is appropriate for the circuit. so 10 ampere fuse is appropriate for circuit, it will not blow out as it is within the fuse capacity. okay, so I hope you understood the solution. In case if you have any doubt, any concern, you can reach to us. Thank you.